In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format a book on Google Docs. Whether you're working on a novel, a nonfiction book, or any large document, Google Docs is a valuable tool for structuring your pages and organizing your text. We'll walk through the process, making it smooth and straightforward, so let's dive right in. First things first, open your Google Docs document where you'd like to format your book. Once your document is open, look towards the top left corner of your screen and you'll see the File option. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a drop-down menu with a variety of options, and from here you should select Page Setup. This is an important step because the page setup is where you can control the overall layout of your book or document. When you're in the Page Setup menu, you'll notice a few different things you can tweak, but the focus here is to change the orientation of your document from the default portrait layout to landscape. This simply means that instead of your document's pages being taller than they are wide, they'll be wider than they are tall. This particular orientation is beneficial for certain types of book layouts and can make your document look more like a traditional book format. Once you've selected Landscape, be sure to click OK at the bottom of the dialog box. This will apply the changes, and you'll notice your document's appearance shifts accordingly. Now that we have the landscape layout set, it's time to work on the text columns. To do this, click on the Format menu near the top of your screen. Here, you'll need to find the Columns option. Dividing your text into columns is another effective technique for book formatting, as it mimics the look of many published books. Once you select Columns, you'll see the different column options available. For our purpose here, you're going to choose 2 columns. This will immediately change how your text is displayed, creating a clearer and more structured look, which can be much easier on the eyes for readers, enhancing the reading experience. And that's how you format a book on Google Docs. With just these simple steps, your document will look polished and professional, ready for printing or digital publishing. Remember, effective book formatting is important for accessibility and readability, and customizing the layout to fit your needs is one of the best ways to engage your audience. Thanks for following along, and happy writing!